Miss Polly sent this song to a lot of the Wild Mustang people that were trying to save them too, and basically I forgot the song for like 15 years, and I got a phone call from California from this girl who had found the song on a cassette in a drawer she was cleaning out, and she played it, and she loved it, and she said, could you re-record this and send it back to us, and so I can use it for my Wild Mustang Association? I said, well, you have to send it to me because I forgot the song. So I did, and I just did a rough demo of it and sent it back to her, and the song, as they say, had legs, and it just walked away from me and galloped away from me and went to Willie Nelson. Willie heard it, and he says, he sent it to Washington, D.C., and the song took me to Washington, D.C. I played it in Lafayette Park, right next to the White House, and the snipers were on the roof, and I'd look up there, and they'd duck down. I went, this is just the weirdest thing I've ever done. You know, it's like it was the weirdest thing. This is America, and that's what it's become. But anyway, these horses are wild, and they have been ever since before the Ice Age. They lived here, and they still do, and they lived here during the Ice Age. Nobody knew that until just recently, but I knew it in my heart. Off the Spanish galleons up the coast of Mexico, the horses came and brought the flame of wild Spanish soul. The hooves rang like thunder, you could hear it in the wind. The hills were alive with the horses' pride. This soon would end. From the high Montana border to the flat Nevada plains, I heard them and they push them and they load them on the trains, and they run them on the feedlots, and they take such great pains to count them up and sort them out and keep them off the range. Wild horses, they don't need fences. Souls demand a better fate. Can't confine them, can't betray them, can be victims. It's not too late. Fatten up their cattle on the land they used to know. Only just the lucky ones are sold to the rodeo. They keep them maintained, they don't die from disease. They only die from broken hearts. They really should be free. Taking all their freedom, now someone must take their side. All that's left are memories of wild Mustang pride. Wild horses, they don't need fences. So demand a better fate. You can't confine them, you can't betray them, they can be victims, it's not too late. Wild horses don't need fences, the souls demand a better fate. You can't confine them, you can't betray them, they can be victims, it's not too late. There you go. Thank y'all.